Now you will feel no cold, for each of you shall be warmth to the other.
Now there shall be no more loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other.
Now you are two bodies, but there is one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place, to enter the days of your togetherness, and may your days be good and long upon the earth.
I believe in mystery. I believe in wonder. The same wonder that I saw on your face the day that we went to the Little Mermaid ride at Disney World. You're so cute. I promise to honor you. I promise to be faithful to you. I promise to do my very best, and above all, I promise to love you. I will move heaven and earth for you and with you. Thank you.
I knew you were one of a kind, one in never gazillion years. And then I left the party without saying goodbye. I knew we'd connect again if it was going to be real, and we did, and it is so real. Since then, you've continually astonished me with your ability to love.
And Marshall was a little lost and he was down on love. And he said, I just want to meet a woman who's vibrant and creative and a free spirit and can go to a party and just make friends and talk to anybody, and who has pizzazz and interesting and on in that vein. And I just thought, well, good luck with that.
I promise to continue to love you, to find more ways to expand my love for you, to deepen my commitment to you, and to be grateful for you every day. I promise to be faithful to my spiritual path and to yours. I let go of all that holds me back from loving you, and I pledge myself to this marriage.